Good morning! Good morning mga palangga! So, ito, bihis ako kasi pupunta tayo sa grocery. Ito yung, ang suot ko nga pala is yung nabili ko sa Joel's at naglagay ako ng belt pero I think yung belt hindi siya bagay sa dress kasi kailangan ata ng mas malaking belt. But anyway, that will do. Magja-jacket naman na ako.
Yeah, princess.
Then, mag-grocery kami. Dadaan tayo sa post office. And where are we going, honey?
Malmo.
Malmo. It's
Country wear shop.
Country wear shop.
Yeah.
May itatry lang si Jan na jacket.
What boots is you wearing?
Oh no, it's a longer one.
Eh?
The thingy one.
New one? Or...
Yeah, the new one. No, not that one. Sorry, that.
Who's a new one?
Sorry.
You mean the brown one?
No, not the brown one, sweetheart. The one that with the heels. I like them. There you go.
What do you wear? The new boots?
It's alright.
They look far better.
Huh?
They look better. Really?
Is it?
I think so, especially this time of year. Try it.
This man, oi! I wanted to wear this one,
Try it. Try it.
because it makes me more
You
taller.
don't have to be taller, darling. Yes, it's
Oh my god, it's not focusing.
Oh. Come on, we need to be going down. It's 9:45.
I know. I'm sorry. You want me to wear this? My new boots. Is that okay? Yeah.
No better.
I need to put this back.
Come on, just put them on. Let's go.
Itong si Jan. Oy! Sorry mga palangga, it's so dark. Against the light kasi. Are you sure it goes?
Just two.
I just need to fold my dress because it's longer than my jacket.
Oh, you're wearing your dress today.
I'm just, you know, I feel like I am more feminine today.
Right, come on. Let's go. Back to you.
Bags, don't forget the bags. Bet ko lang ng dress na yun. Wala namang masama doon, di ba? Hang on. This jacket, I like this jacket so much. Napapansin nyo naman, I always wear this jacket. But then, the downside of this is the belt. Palagi siyang
What
natatanggal.
about the upside? Car's waiting.
Right, let's go. Let's go, mister. Have you managed to fix your steps? Yung steps kasi niya, ito, hindi siya nagde-deploy. Thank you.
I'll do it posting.
You do the posting.
There's
I'm so hungry, Hanay.
3 in mine. Yeah, 4.
I'm so hungry.
Why did you have any breakfast? You're going to be ages now before you get home.
I don't know. I think yung kilay ko hindi siya pantay. My eyebrows, honey, I don't think so. They are equal.
You put crap on them.
I put crap on them. We have landed. Nandito na kami sa post
The
office.
Eagles have landed.
Bye!
Right. Move along. Well, I might be. Could be a queue in here. Lose that.
How much?
£6.
£6 something.
Yeah, I was just
Right. Where are we going now?
We'll go Malmo first.
Malmo first and
There's no
then...
point in going to Tesco and then getting things that's going to defrost them.
We're here. No, we're not. We're not quite here.
Really?
Nearly.
We are now.
Here you go. It's not as busy.
No, it's not.
So yun yung shop. It looks like it's not a shop, isn't it?
This is correct. Like it's not a shop.
It just looks like a barn.
About. Okay.
We go there.
I thought Right down there to dark.
Entrance.
Going here, darling.
Next to the door.
Here.
I'll have a look. I like that color. Malaki yung ngiti ko. Thank you, Han. We cannot go to Tesco now.
Soon. I've got a soft tire.
Ah, we got a soft tire? Oh no. May nakita akong jacket. Naka-sale siya. I don't really know where's my card, honey. I'm so sorry, sweetheart. It's not my intention to let you pay. I saw this jacket and it's just absolutely pretty. And Jan is so kind to pay, but he said you have to repay. How much was it?
120.
120. Yeah. Originally, I don't know what's the original price, but they're on sale. I'll show you later. We're here in Aldi. Busy yung Aldi. Tingnan nyo. Busy.
No.
Online sila. Online yung mama ko. Yes! Kailangan ko lang i-separate to. Kailangan ko siyang ilagay sa separate bag. Kasi malalaki tong breast na to. At ito rin. Hahatiin ko sila. Nawala yung signal. Kaya ayun, nawala din sila. This is our lunch. They're still on the phone. Sige, bye. I love you. Bye, Jan.
Bye-bye.
Sorry kanina. Oy, online yung family ko. So, yung mga nakikita nyo siguro, depende sa pag-i-edit ko. Fast forward na lang siguro or wala siyang sound. Kasi naka-loudspeaker yung pamilya ko. Ang kanina, si Jan ko. Let's check again.
It's fine now.
Look.
It's fine. It's only red.
So, kanina, online yung family ko kasi meron lang kaming diniscuss na importante. Hindi ko muna i-share sa inyo pero I'm getting excited. So, fingers crossed lang talaga. Everything will be fine. Ay, umuulan. Umuulan mga bears. Umuulan. Where's Papa, ha? Where's Jan? Honey! Where are you? Hi! So, ngayon, gagawa tayo ng coleslaw for our tea. Side dish lang to kasi yung main talaga natin. We will have chicken wings, fries, then itong coleslaw. So, yes. So, yung ingredients, carrots, cabbage, red onion, mayonnaise, at itong Dijon mustard. So, hihiwain ko lang yung mga ingredients into little pieces. Then, after that, imimix natin sila lahat. Sobrang dali lang. Nakikita ko to sa mga katrabaho ko, sa cook namin. Meron kasi kaming cook sa pinagtatrabahoan ko at pag gumagawa sila ng coleslaw. Napapanood ko sila na ito lang yung ginagamit nila na seasoning, Dijon mustard at mayonnaise. So, masarap naman, natikman ko. So, we will recreate kung masarap ba ang gawa ko. It's always the case na pag ako yung gumagawa or nagluluto, I don't enjoy it as much. Pero pag, like for example, ikaw yung nagluto, then ako yung kakain, nako, masarap. Ano kasi, pag tinitikman ko yung, oh, wow, ang daming horses. Tingnan niyo mga palangga. Sandali lang. Sorry, my nose is dripping. Lumabas kasi ako kanina. Tingnan niyo ha, sa kapitbahay namin. Kapitbahay namin yan. Sobrang dami nilang horses. Yan. I don't know what's going on, but madaming horses. Yan. So, ayun na nga. Ano na ba yung sinabi ko? Nakalimutan ko na. So, yun nga. Pag ako yung nagluluto, hindi ako nag-i-enjoy masyado. Ano kasi siguro, pag ako yung nagluluto, tinitikman ko din. Pagkatapos ng niluto ko, parang halfway na ako na malapit na ako mabusog. So, yun siguro. Anyway, hihiwain ko lang muna to.
You're supposed to be speaking.
What cutting?
Yeah, you say. I take the white cabbage. I cook slowly and finely.
It's very fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You've done a fine job there. I'm having more coffee. Do you?
No, thank you. I'm still full with that soup.
I didn't get all my soup.
Hey, I give you my soup.
I'll try it again.
So, ito na. Nahiwa ko na. So, masakit ang mata ko. So, ito na yung onion, carrots, then cabbage.
Let's see what's inside it.
What is it?
It's full of fluff.
I need to show that to them.
This is something I got earlier. It's got a hoodie.
I mean, you got that earlier. I know you got that earlier, but I have to repay you.
You have not repaid for this.
Did?
When?
When we do grocery?
She bought the groceries. She didn't pay back for the jacket.
Money. I have no money.
You paid. How much you pay shopping?
130 pounds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I got all their light in there.
Yeah, it's nice that. I like the color. As you know me, I like
It's not very
burgundy.
big, is it?
Yeah, well, for casual.
How do you fold it?
Honey, oi, he is terrible in folding clothes.
I don't know how to fold it.
Just a little bit of mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise, not mayonnaise. Mayonnaise.
Can I have a little spoon, please?
I'm trying to get my coffee.
A little bit of Dijon, then unti-unti nating lalagyan
Dijon.
kung
It's
kailangan.
French, darling. It's French. Dijon mustard. You got it? Ready? Dijon.
What's wrong with this man?
Nothing. I'm teaching you good French. Aren't I, darling? Bonjour, mademoiselle.
What's wrong with you?
Teaching you good French.
You did not went
I'm
to
bilingual. I speak English. I speak Northern English. I have the Queen's English. I have Northern English.
Who say that? You.
I speak fluent Tagalog now.
Oh dear, don't believe.
French.
He don't know how to speak French.
Can speak Gaelic.
No. I think kailangan pa siya ng more mayonnaise. Huh? Oh, what? Titikman ko lang siya, see if kailangan pa siya ng mustard. For me, hindi na siya kailangan ng mustard. Kailangan na siya ng kaunting mayonnaise kasi medyo dry siya. Happy na ako dyan. So, transfer ko siya dito. So, ito na yung coleslaw natin. Yan. Yan. I like the color kasi may pagka-orange siya dahil sa carrots. Dahil naunahan na ako ni Mr. na ipakita to sa inyo, yung jacket, itatry ko na lang para sa inyo para makita nyo kung ano yung fit ng jacket. So, ito siya. Yan. At may hood yung jacket. Meron siyang 2 sides pockets dito. At yung size niya is size 8. At yung mate niya is barbor. Magkano nga ba ito ha? Nahanap ko yung price. Yeah, 139 yung original price niya. So, nakasale siya. Nakuha namin ng 120. So, hindi malaki yung discount, pero at least nakasale pa din. So, at least medyo nakasave pa din ng konti. Kahit pa paano, nakasave pa din, di ba? So, itatry ko muna. Huhubarin ko to kasi medyo may pagka-thick kasi to. So, I'll be right back. So, ito yung jacket. Yan. Hindi siya masyadong thick. So, pwede siyang suotin like autumn. Pang everyday talaga. Katulad ng jacket ko na blue. I like this eye. Yan. Hindi ko matatry yung hood ka dahil sa buhok ko. Yan. So, sobrang happy talaga ako nung nakita ko to. Hindi to sponsor ha? Baka sabihin nyo na sponsor to. Hay, sana nga sponsor pero hindi to sponsor. Binayaran to namin ng sarili naming pera. Look, what do you think? Do you like it? It's good, Han. Like it? Yeah?
Fits perfect, darling.
Yeah, I like it. I'm warm now. Thank you, hon.
That's okay then.
Thank you.
Thickness 10 mil.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Width.
Maglalakad sila. Anyway, tapos na tayo sa kape natin. So, sisimulan na natin yung pagbe-bake natin sa ating raspberry and apple crumble. So, gagawa tayo ng apple crumble. So, nakita nyo naman yung kanina nag-prepare ako ng mga ingredients. So, yung ingredients are 100 grams of sugar, 200 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams of butter, Bromley apple, and raspberries. Ito yung first time na raspberry and apple crumble ko. Nakagawa na ako ng apple crumble before, pero hindi ko siya nilagyan ng raspberry. At natikman ko yung raspberry and apple crumble sa pinagtatrabahuan ko at nagustuhan ko talaga. So, ito na naman tayo. Try to recreate that. I hope lang talaga magiging successful to. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon is babalatan ko tong apple. Hihiwain ko sila ng maliliit and I will boil the apple for a few minutes. Lalagyan ng sugar para hindi naman masyadong sour yung apple natin. Kasi itong raspberry natin, sabi dito super sweet pero hindi natin alam kung gaano siya ka-sweet, gaano siya ka-sour. Kasi kahit na nilagay dito na super sweet, there are tendency pa din na ito sobrang sour nito. Titikman natin yan later. So, ngayon, nakat ko na yung apple. Nilagay ko na yung apple dito. Nilagyan ko siya ng kaunting tubig para pakuluan at tumambot yung apple natin. Mag-a-add naman ako ngayon ng lemon juice, nutmeg powder, and cinnamon. So, kaunting lemon juice lang. Sobrang, ano lang talaga, liit. Sobrang kaunti lang. Yan lang. Nutmeg. Yan. And cinnamon. At of course, maglalagay din tayo ng sugar. Ayun ang bahala. Magtatansya na lang to. Yan. So, halo-haloin na lang natin. Oh! Nahulog yung apple. Meron ba tayong apple dito? Hindi ko sila sinabay para yung apple natin hindi sila all soft. Kasi gusto ko kasi yung apple crumble na may nakikita pa akong apple bits, hindi yung mashed apple talaga. Yung apple crumble, pareho lang talaga sila sa apple pie ng procedure. Tama ba? Yeah, I think. Ngayon naman, i-add ko yung raspberry. Titikman ko muna see if matamis ba talaga. Matamis. May pagka sour. Hindi talaga super sweet. Nilagay nila doon sa packaging super sweet. Hindi siya super sweet. Sweet siya, pero may pagkaasim pa din. So, itong apple natin, magiging pink to. Hihinaan ko lang yung apoy. I hope okay na siya. Para sa akin, okay na yan. Kasi babawiin na lang natin yan sa custard. So, hihintayin lang natin siyang mag-cool down just a little. Then, while naghihintay tayo, we need to do the crumble. Ito na yung flour natin. Then, yung butter at flour, imimix natin. Then, we will rub them together until mag-form siya into crumble. They said, dapat you have a cold hands. Yung kamay ko sobrang init. Happy na ako sa ating crumble. So now, ilalagay ko na yung sugar. using this knife, we will try to mix the sugar. Yan na, na-mix ko na. And ilalagay na natin yung apple at raspberry dito. Yan. I'll give you a closer look. So, ito yung crumble. Yan. And, ito na yung apple and raspberry. Yan. And the most exciting part, I find it very exciting. Paglagay ng crumble. Oop.
Don't be shy with crumble though. I like the crumble. You don't have to make it smooth, just chuck it on it and it'll just, you know.
Sure.
Got a bunch in there, is it?
Butter, sugar. Lalagyan natin siya ng sprinkle. Sprinkle of sugar. Just a sprinkle. Oh, I think it's better na brown sugar yung ilalagay natin. So, ito siya. Mag-i-sprinkle ako dito ng demerara sugar instead of white sugar. Nakapag-sprinkle ako ng konting white sugar, hindi marami. Yan. Ilalagay na natin siya sa oven for 30 minutes. Let's try 30 minutes. Oh, just in case. Just in case na umapaw siya, lalagay natin dito so that hindi na natin kailangan linisin yung oven. There you go, and it's set. I'll be back mga palangga. Lilinisin ko lang yung mga ginamit ko. Yan. And nandoon pa. 11 minutes. So, we need to check our crumble. Lalayo tayo kasi. Yan. OMG. Yan. Nag-overflow siya. Oy, dahil sa sobrang dami ng apple at raspberry. Yan, yan. Nag-overflow talaga siya. But anyway, it's looking good.
You haven't got no TT. Look.
Oh no! It's all over the gloves. So, ito na yung apple and raspberry crumble.
Certainly crumbled.
Ah, dear. Han! You will burn. What did you say?
I said, I love you, my princess. You are my life, my dream.
No, the other one.
Are you making some custard?
He's asking if I gonna make the custard.
That's all the country file now, isn't it? Yeah. I need a tea.
I want to see a country file, Han. Is it good?
I'm eating the spills. It's very nice to have.
Good. So, ready na yung ating custard. Honey! It's ready!
It's going to be hot.
It will be very hot.
I'll let it cool.
Ang sarap ng custard. So anyway mga palangga, ito na yung vlog natin for today. So thank you so much for watching and maraming salamat talaga sa walang sawang pagsuporta at sa panonood ng ating vlog. Maraming salamat. Bye! Mwah! Mwah!